Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change out the water filter in my Whirlpool refrigerator. I don't remember off the top of my head which Whirlpool fridge this is, but I will put it down in the description box. And as always, the product is linked for both the Whirlpool fridge and for the filter. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now everything is cleared out. There's this little button on top. You're going to push it in and open the door. Now, I don't know if you can see, there's a lock up there. So this filter is locked in place. So we're gonna wanna turn it left. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. All right, we're gonna turn it left and we are gonna pull the filter out. This is what the new filter looks like when it comes out. There's a cap on the bottom, so you're gonna wanna take the cap off. So what it looks like. Now, essentially, you're just gonna put it back in. There's two holes, if you can see the two holes down there, and then there's the two holes here, so you're going to want to line it up and put it in there. I'm trying to do this while also being recording. Finally shove it in there. This is what it looks like, and then you still have to lock it, so you're going to want to turn it. You're going to hear a click, so you see like the little arrow thing was down here. You turn it, now the arrow thing's up on top just like it was before, and you're gonna snap it into place. Okay, once you've replaced the filter, you have to come over here to this little panel. You're gonna want to go to options and you're gonna want to go to filter reset, and over here it'll ask you if you want to confirm. All right, so the filter is confirmed. Now before you actually use it, you want to go ahead and pour out like a gallon or two of water just to break the new filter in. Okay, yes, it says flush approximately 1 gallon of water. And woo, the air bubble's normal. All right, it won't make you watch me fill this up with water, but I'm gonna get a gallon of water out of here and then we will be good to go. If you guys like this video and need other how-to videos, I have a lot of them on my page. Go ahead and click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.